Hey bloggers, welcome back to Booster Advertising. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered writing tools that can transform your blogging game. Whether you're struggling with writer's block, want to improve your content quality, or just need help organizing ideas, these AI tools can be game changers. Let's check out some of the best AI writing tools available today. 1. Jasper. First up, we have Jasper. Jasper is a powerful tool for writers that can help you generate blog ideas, write engaging content, and even optimize SEO. This tool comes with templates tailored for bloggers, making it super easy to create anything from product descriptions to detailed blog posts. Just give Jasper a little input, and it generates high-quality content in seconds. 2. WriteSonic. Next, we have WriteSonic. This tool is a versatile assistant that offers templates for blog posts, social media captions, and more. WriteSonic even has AI features that help with email writing, press releases, and SEO meta tags. It's ideal if you're managing multiple types of content or platforms and need a well-rounded tool. Grammarly is a must-have for all bloggers. While it's not just a content generator, Grammarly helps with grammar, punctuation, style suggestions, and readability. It's a real lifesaver for polishing your content and ensuring it reads well and is error-free. Plus, with the premium version, you get advanced checks that make your blog more professional. 4. Surfer SEO. If you want your blog to rank higher, Surfer SEO is a fantastic tool. It analyzes top-ranking blogs for keywords you're targeting and suggests improvements for your content to match the SEO standards. It's perfect for bloggers who want a hands-on approach to improving their search engine rankings without guessing. 5. Copy.ai. Another AI tool that's perfect for bloggers is Copy.ai. With Copy.ai, you can generate catchy headlines, introductions, and other blog elements. This tool is ideal for those needing inspiration or a creative push. It offers specific templates such as blog outline, product description, and intro generator, all super handy for bloggers. 6. ChatGPT. Finally, ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT has become one of the most popular tools for bloggers because of its versatility. Whether you need content ideas, rough drafts, or complete blog posts, ChatGPT can help. Just give it prompts or questions, and it can generate responses that fit your needs. Plus, you can adjust its tone and style to match your voice. And that's a wrap. These are some of the best AI writing tools to help you write faster, improve your quality, and reach a broader audience. With the right tools, blogging can be more enjoyable and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content tips, and let us know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. Happy blogging!